Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to add an email account to your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down a bit until you find Mail and tap on it. Once you're in the Mail settings, select Accounts at the very top. Now you want to tap on Add Account. From here, you'll see a list of popular email providers. Select the account type you want to add. If your provider isn't listed, select Other, and then Add Mail Account. You'll need to enter your account details manually in that case. In our example, we're adding a Gmail account, so I'm going to select Google. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page where you'll enter your Gmail login information. After you've signed in, you get to choose which services you want to sync with your iPhone. For this example, I only want to sync my emails, so I'm making sure only the Mail option is toggled on. Once you're ready, click Save in the top right-hand corner. After a few seconds, your email account will be successfully synced with your iPhone. You'll see it added to the list of accounts. Now, the next time you open an application synced with your email, like the Mail app, you'll see Gmail is now added to the list. Click the drop-down menu and select Inbox to access all your emails. And that's it. You've successfully added your email account to your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.